Here's a look inside Right Track Learning's Management and Leadership Journal, a guided space designed to help leaders reflect, self-assess and grow. The journal gives leaders space to pause and explore the choices that shape day-to-day leadership and impact on others. Leaders can work through it however fits their schedule. Even 10 to 15 minutes a week makes a difference. So if you want to see how it works in practice, download the mini journal now for free. Let's see what's included. Starting off with Know Yourself, where leaders will understand their values and strengthen their emotional intelligence and self-awareness. In Managing Others, they'll explore how their behaviour shapes their team and environment. And in the Communication section, they'll identify ways to improve their communication and coaching to guide their team. Each section includes a mix of activities, including challenge pages, dialogue starters, deep dives and behaviour audits. You'll see prompts encouraging observation and reflection on real-world situations, helping leaders think about how their actions shape team dynamics and culture. There are also learning boosts throughout, including short videos and toolkits that leaders can use individually or with their teams to support practical development. This toolkit is a valuable resource for developing leadership capability and embedding practical reflection. So, download 44 pages of the journal today and see how it can support leadership development in your organisation. And if you're interested in the full 10-section journal, available as a printed hard copy or editable PDF, please get in contact.